Hey guys, we're here at Solorzano's Pizzeria in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. This has been our favorite pizza in Pigeon Forge for a while now, so we're excited to try out this new location. Let's head inside.
Hi, Matt here.
I'm Stacy, and this little guy is our buddy Tarzan. Together, we are the Rays on the road. So this is the garlic cheese bread, and it's basically like a hoagie roll with garlic spread, butter, and cheese on it, and it's toasted, which sounds so like, oh, whatever. Man, it's so good. It's so hot right now, too. So, take a little. It's so hot, but I want to eat it so bad. So, dip it in there. It's so good. It's buttery, it's garlicky, that stretchy mozzarella cheese. I think they must use real mozzarella here. It's awesome. And the bread itself is really good. It's like high quality sub roll. It's so good. Do you want to try a bite? Okay. So Matt is going to try some of this yummy garlic bread.
Speaking of the Hoboken heart attack, the music is from one of Hoboken's native sons.
Who is?
Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about.
Oh, okay.
Look at this.
It's so good. It seems like, oh, it's just like...
I'm trying to turn it over so you get a picture of the bread.
Yeah, I think it's freshly baked bread.
It certainly appears to be. But look at this.
Yeah, cheese pull.
Yeah, let's see how tall we can get it. Look at all that steam rolling off of it.
But it's still going.
Ooh,
wow.
The cheese tail.
Cheese.
So, but look at it. It's got
parsley, maybe.
Various herbs, maybe. I don't know. It's steaming hot. It's very hot to hold. You can see the butter brushed on underneath the cheese.
It's delicious.
Is that focusing? Is that coming in? Alright, I'm going to try without the marinara.
I wonder, do they make the marinara here? It tastes kind of...
I don't know, but bread is delicious. The cheese is delicious. is good.
The sauce reminds me of the sauce that I make when I buy those like Cento, the Solorzano crushed tomatoes, and then just put seasoning in it. That's what that is. That's a good tomato.
Let's dip it in the gravy. See how it is. Definitely needs to cool it down. Burn the crap out of my mouth.
Yeah.
It's good. It does taste like it's homemade.
Yeah.
But I'll point out that it looks very smooth. I don't see any chunks in it. So a lot of people are averse to chunks.
But I'm the opposite. I like it when it's smooth. I hate marinara sauce with big chunks of stuff. I like that. So this is the Hoboken Heart Attack. It's topped with pepperoni, sausage, meatballs, and bacon. And so these are like sliced up meatballs. And the sausage is crumbled all around it. Dish out a piece. We've never eaten inside of one of these. We usually get it to go and take it back to our hotel room.
Because we usually have our dog and we don't want to leave him alone.
This is one of those things like after a long day of
look at all that
stuff.
steam and that cheese.
We really like to get one of these pizzas, take it back, hang out in a room, but we wanted to check out the new location here in Gatlinburg.
Now you don't have to drive to Pigeon Forge.
Yeah.
Get the good stuff.
Which we like this pizza so much, we do that. Even if we're staying in Gatlinburg, we drive to Pigeon Forge to get it.
But you know, maybe we haven't had your favorite pizza.
Yeah, that's true.
You know, comment down below if you have a different one.
I'm going to use a fork because I've got a feeling this is going to be so hot it's going to burn my mouth. Get some of all the toppings here. Alright, so I'm gonna... Delicious. The meatball is so good. And you can really taste the seasonings in the meatball. This is like the spicy Sicilian pepperoni, you know, the cup style. The little pieces of bacon, and then the sausage is, which actually, maybe the meatball is the little square pieces, and this sliced pieces is the sausage. I think that's what it is, but it all just blends together so well. It's so good.
Don't stop. Kesha, that's our girl.
Yeah, we do love Kesha.
Man, that is hot.
You're gonna do the New York City fold.
I'm gonna try to. It's too fresh. I can't get it. Burned.
It's so
But
good.
it tastes so good.
This is like real New York, New Jersey style pizza.
So we'll say this, like the crust here, you're not really getting that crust. That's about the big difference between this and that Hoboken place we tried last time we were in Hoboken. But you do get that right up here. You know, like the dough, you get that crisp there. Like that's New York style there. The only thing, it's You know, that isn't right here, yeah.
It's a little floppy.
But, you know, I don't know. People say it's like the water or something. I don't know. This is really good.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to remember, we had a pizza in Hoboken a while back with these same toppings, and I can't think of the name of it, but I'm gonna find it, and I'm gonna put it right here, and I'm gonna tell you this is as close as you're gonna get to that type of pizza south of New York and New Jersey. It's so good. Thank you so much. Alright, we're gonna do some damage on this pizza, and then we'll be back.
So it's cooled off a little bit, so I gotta have our hunger excitement. Show you better close up without the topping sliding off. So it's pepperoni, and it's meatball, and it's bacon, and it's sausage. And the sausage is big.
I think the sausage are the big slices that the meatballs are like
cubed meatball. You kind of hear that crust, crispy crust. Fold it, but like look how much toppings they put on it. Like there may be other pizzas with better crust out there, but they don't put any toppings on it, you know? This, they load you down. You're never gonna go hungry here.
We were saying on camera, some places get too obsessed with that, trying to be the signature pizza Napolitani or whatever, and there's not enough toppings on that for me. I mean, it's good, but it's just bread and tomato sauce. Or put cheese on your pizza.
And then also, you know, you have the shaky cheese if you want to add more cheese. And they've got shaky pepper. If you want to heat it up, you can add some shaky pepper. If you want to give it a little kick. You can add, you know, you can make it snow with the shaky cheese if that's what you want, or you can do both. So good.
So yummy.
Well, you know,
So
if you're wearing it, you know it's good.
So much for this white tea.
So I eat this kind of pizza, I fold it and then I eat it. But Stacy eats it with a knife and fork. Viewers at the house, let's take a poll. Do you fold it when you eat it? Or you do it with a knife and fork?
This gets a lot of people's motor running, eat pizza with a knife and fork. So we'll see what people say.
Comment down below, or maybe there's another way that you eat pizza that we haven't even discussed or haven't even heard of yet.
Yeah. right, so that was Solorzano's in Gatlinburg, the new location. What'd you think, Matt?
Pretty good. It's much bigger, nicer, and newer than the other one.
Yeah, pizza is just as good. Still awesome. I love it. Probably still my favorite pizza here in the Smokies.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say probably some of the best pizza of this style that you're going to get outside of New York, New Jersey, that type of area.
Yeah, I mean, there may be better pizza in the area, but you're not going to find the place as clean or nice as this with as good of service as you're going to get here.
Yeah, we've been here so many times and have never had any issue whatsoever with service.
Time,
they're great.
Speed.
And
the pizza's great, so I mean, you can't go wrong. It's a matte seal of approval.
Yeah. It's going to get the Stacy seal of approval. But guys, we appreciate you watching. Please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything that's coming up soon. There's going to be a lot of fun stuff. We don't want you to miss out, so hit that subscribe button. Thanks for everything. We'll see you soon. Love you. Bye.